Hey everybody. I think we all know that this kind of virtual PD isn't a perfect substitute for the kind of PD that we can do in person, but under the circumstances, we all have to do the best we can. So we're trying to make the best of it. We are using, of course, Google Meet as the medium for almost all of our sessions, and I just wanted to show you a trick that might help some of you out. A lot of our sessions are designed to be interactive, so that as the presenter is doing something, you will be given time to try it out yourself. And I've already had questions from presenters and people attending asking, like, how does that work? How can I see what they're doing and do it myself at the same time? So I wanted to show you how you can pretty quickly do like set up a split screen kind of thing in your Chromebook. So I have two tabs here open, the Google Meet tab, and then I have my drive. And I just wanted to show you that if I bring my mouse up here to this is the maximize button. Okay, that's minimize, that's maximize. That means that'll shrink it down so you can't see it. That makes it full screen. And then, of course, the X button to close the window out. If I click and hold on the maximize button, okay, I'm not letting go yet. Notice that now I have these two little arrows that showed up. I'm still not letting go. I'm still holding down on the touchpad on my Chromebook. So I'm doing that with my left hand. So now with my right hand on the touchpad, I'm just going to move the mouse over, and you'll notice you can see kind of a faint outline where it's going to move that screen. If I do it over there, it'll do it over there. Okay, so I'm just going to bring it there. Now I've taken my right finger off the touchpad, and I'm going to take my left finger off the touchpad too, and it brings that over there. Okay, well, like, ooh, big deal. Well, now if I come over here and I click on this other tab that I want to be looking at, if I click and hold it again, I'm using my left hand to do that. And now with my right hand, I'm going to use that on the touchpad to drag that over and off. See what it's doing? It's creating a separate window for that. Now, if I let go, okay, and I come back over here, move my mouse over to that maximize button again. And again, I'm going to use my left hand and I'm going to click down on it and hold. And now I'm going to use my right finger and I'm going to move that over there to that button. And now I let go with my left hand. Okay. So now it's made the two screens equal size, so they're not overlapping. So I could be looking at my Google Meet screen over here, watching the presenter, and I could be doing what I need to do over here. Now, again, I know it's not ideal. You'll notice that, like, here in Google Drive, there's quite a bit of stuff that's cut off. So you may end up having issues. You may end up needing to drag this one over, and you'll notice that if I bring my mouse right to the edge, I can drag that over. So I may need to do something like that. I may need to, instead of a complete split screen, I might need to overlap them myself a little bit so I could watch the presenter here for a second. Then I just come over and click on that header and it'll bring this one back to the front. And then I could go ahead and work on it, click back over if I need to see a finer detail, that kind of thing. Okay, so hopefully that'll help you. But like I said, we're going to all make the best that we can of the situation. Thanks.